So this is Bole Medana Lane, and this is the Best Western Premier. If you know where we are, very close to the airport, very close to the Tanzanian embassy from here. This place I came some 2-3 years back. It was very, very busy and very, very crowded. But right now, 2-3 years down the line, the infrastructural changes are phenomenal. All right, well, across the road to the Reality Plaza is the church I was telling you all about. That's the one with the huge "I Belong to Jesus" posters, and that's where I want to go and take my first clip. Let's go. This place is the Yugo City Church. Here's one of the posters. I'm so happy to be here, actually. This is the huge "I Belong to Jesus" poster. I don't know how to see it differently, but we're not gonna go inside today. We're gonna go to the other church, so let's see.